Hello, welcome back to the video. Welcome a new video. Today we're going to talk about solar panel book. I showed some of these books last time and I really want to order some today. I will pick it out a few. Let's go to the first book. It seems to me that by the beginning it will suffice completed at easy. Veteran solar installer Joseph Brigdig as a seasoned builder Phil Schmidt teach you how to determine the size, place and type of installation you'll need. I'll let you know when I will read it. Then give this book a chance. It will show you everything that you need to know from start to finish. Try to googling every question you have about setting you up your own solar system. Very interesting right from the start for me. Solar energy is free and it is located everywhere where the sun is shining. Adapting solar power energy is very crucial for greenhouse and buildings. I also have a greenhouse still building coming up. This selection is just mine and there are plenty of books to read. Thank you for your attention, thank you to my subscribers, that's all. Goodbye.